Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that's fundamental to fitness, push-ups. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been working out for a while, you might wonder how many push-ups you should do every day to see real benefits. Push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises for building strength, especially in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. But like anything in fitness, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Let's dive into this and figure out the right number of push-ups for your goals and fitness level. Section 1. Benefits of push-ups. Before we get into how many push-ups you should do, let's quickly talk about why push-ups are so great. Strength building. Push-ups primarily work your chest, shoulders, and triceps. But they also engage your core and even your legs to a lesser degree. Functional movement. Unlike machines, push-ups mimic natural body movements and are great for improving overall functional strength. Convenience. You don't need any equipment. Push-ups can be done anywhere, making them an ideal exercise for almost any fitness routine. Cardio and endurance. If you increase the number and do them at a faster pace, push-ups can help improve your cardiovascular endurance. Section 2. Factors to consider. Before deciding the number of push-ups. Now, before jumping straight into a daily push-up routine, let's look at a few factors that will influence how many push-ups you should be doing. Fitness level. If you're a beginner, doing 5 to 10 push-ups might be challenging at first, but if you're more advanced, you might want to aim for 50 to 100 or more per set. Goals. Are you looking for strength, endurance, or both? Your goals will determine how many push-ups you need to do daily. For strength, fewer push-ups with more rest may be ideal, but for endurance, doing higher repetitions with less rest is key. Recovery. It's crucial to allow your muscles time to recover between workouts. Doing push-ups every day without proper recovery could lead to overtraining and injury. Form over quantity. This is one of the most important factors. You should always prioritize maintaining proper form rather than trying to hit a specific number. Poor form can lead to shoulder and wrist injuries, and you won't be getting the full benefit of the exercise. Section 3. How many push-ups should you do based on your fitness level? Let's break it down based on your current fitness level. Beginner, 0 to 10 push-ups. If you're just starting out, you might be able to do only a few push-ups. That's totally fine. Focus on building up your strength slowly and gradually increase your reps. Start with 3 sets of 5 to 8 push-ups, and as it gets easier, you can increase the reps and sets. Intermediate, 10 to 30 push-ups. For those who have been working out for a while and can comfortably do 10 to 15 push-ups, aim for 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 25 push-ups. You can start challenging yourself by adding more sets or pushing for higher repetitions. If you feel like it's too easy, try variations like decline push-ups or diamond push-ups to work different muscles. Advanced, 30+ push-ups. If you can do 30 push-ups or more with perfect form, you're at an advanced level. To keep progressing, you'll need to push your limits. Aim for 4 to 6 sets of 30+ push-ups. You can also add variations like clapping push-ups, handstand push-ups, or even weighted push-ups. For advanced training, 100 push-ups a day could be a good goal, depending on your fitness level and goals. Section 4. Should you do push-ups every day? While it might seem tempting to do push-ups every single day to build muscle faster, it's essential to balance push-ups with proper recovery. Rest and recovery. Recovery is when your muscles actually grow. If you don't give your muscles enough time to repair, you risk overtraining. A good rule of thumb is to take at least 1 to 2 rest days per week from doing push-ups or work on different muscle groups. This will prevent burnout and help you avoid injury. Alternating workouts. Instead of doing push-ups every day, you can alternate muscle groups. For example, you can do push-ups 3 to 4 times a week and work on legs or core exercises on the other days. This way, you give your chest and upper body enough recovery time while still staying active. Section 5. Signs. You're doing too much. While push-ups are great for you, there's always a risk of overdoing it, especially if you're trying to hit high numbers every day. Here are some signs that you might be doing too much. Persistent muscle soreness. If you're always sore and never feel fully recovered, it might be a sign to take a break. Form breakdown. If your push-ups start looking sloppy or your shoulders hurt, you're likely overworking yourself. Fatigue. If you feel constantly tired and your energy levels are low, consider dialing it back. Section 6. How to progress and improve over time. Gradually increase. Reps. Start by adding just a few more push-ups to each set, or adding another set each week. Progressive over.